Now I'm going to try something, and I'm going to create perimeter 2 and format this as a number. And let's do in the field I'm just going to do perimeter divided by 12%. And in the columns, we will add perimeter 2, calculate the total. So that's interesting. You can calculate the totals. I'm going to doubt we can do this if we put any text in there. Yeah, because it's you can't put any text like feet or any letters in there. It will create an error because that is calculated as a formatted as a number. So you'd have to do that. Now I imagine you can do dot round dot 2 feet. Not that's not going to be. Let's do 2 feet. Oh, let's do perimeter dot 2 feet. That's what it is. It won't show the feet even if you do 2 feet. I'm not sure how we'd actually, because it's a number. It's not. I doubt it's going to show the feet. So you can get a total there if you do that.